Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I want to make a quick video about third-party keyboards on iOS. So, if you're not familiar, of course, a while back, Apple allowed third-party keyboards onto iOS, so you didn't have to use only Apple's keyboard, since a lot of people have been wanting third-party keyboards on iOS for a really long time, because on Android you could do it for a very, very long time. So this is the typical default Apple keyboard, right? So in the latest update, they added some new predictions, so that it could guess the word without you having to type the whole word out, and it's been doing a good job. And for information, I have actually never really used Apple's default keyboard like more than a day, because I usually, when I buy a new iPhone, I just automatically install a third-party keyboard and start using it because I don't really like Apple's keyboard. So you have, of course, Siri, you have, of course, the little globe button to make it switch to third-party keyboards and all that. So I want to share with you guys some other alternatives to some iOS keyboards. So the first one, let's begin, Gboard. It's a new keyboard that Google released last year for iOS first. So Gboard is a very simple keyboard, but really smart as well. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks like that in the default white color. If you want, there's themes for it, or you can change to black as well. So that's cool right there as well. So what can you do on Gboard that makes it really awesome? Well, first you could do, of course, speech detection. So when you hold down the space bar, it will bring you to the Google app, and you can start talking again. And then when you're done talking, it will bring you back to the app, and it will write it down what you were saying. And of course, it has the swipe feature, which is, I love the swipe feature on any third-party keyboard. It makes it really easy just to type something really fast as well. And then of course, you have this little Gboard here. So here you get to see, you get to do searches, and it will show you on the keyboard what you're looking for. So let's look for weather. So of course I haven't turned on the location right now. So right now, let's see. So if I try to turn on the location, it will show me, of course, the weather around me. But of course, I do allow the city part of it. So in Ottawa, it's 3 degrees, so it's pretty nice and warm. And so yeah, and then of course you have photos here. So if you want, you could have photos here directly from the Google search, and then of course the GIF or GIFs, whatever you want to say. So there you go, pretty cool stuff right there. When if you're iMessaging somebody or want to tweet something out, or on Facebook or anything like that. So yeah, that's why Gboard is my default third-party keyboard choice. So let's go to the next one. Next one, we have Swype. So Swype is a very simple iOS third-party keyboard. So let's switch to next keyboard. There we go. So Swype, just by the name of it, it's known for, of course, it's swiping around. Oops. Okay, this is not Swype. This is Minuum. So we're gonna go to next keyboard. There we go. This is Swype. So, and Swype, of course, is known by just by the word. You know what's good for, and it's good for swiping around like this. So that's pretty much it, and it has a good word prediction system. So that's cool as well. But yeah, nothing really new. It hasn't been updated for like since last year. So I hope maybe the team behind Swype could maybe update the app, so it can have some new features or anything like that. Next, we have next keyboard. We have Swiftkey. So Swiftkey is an awesome third-party keyboard on Android, and when Apple allowed third-party keyboards on iOS, Swiftkey was one of the first ones to release their keyboard on iOS. So it's my favorite one for when I'm not using Gboard. When I need to type something really fast, Swiftkey is my favorite one. Just because the AI behind it, and it's really smart. The word prediction is spot on, and it's one of my favorite ones that you should probably check out if you haven't. And not least but not last, we have, if I could switch again, if I could just switch, there we go. And then of course switch to Minuum. So Minuum is a keyboard that hasn't been updated for a while now, and I hope the developers behind it do update the app soon. So Minuum is known for this. It's known for having much more screen real estate for yourself, and the keyboard shrinked into this so you could type like this, and it actually works if you're used to it. So let's try it out. So let's spell Google. There we go. And there you go, Google. So it works really well. I remember in the beginning I wasn't used to it, and I'm still not used to it, so that's why I don't really use Minuum, but I sometimes check it out time to time to see if there's anything new. So yeah, very good. Word prediction spot on too, and the emojis really cool as well. So yeah, those are some top iOS 10 third-party keyboards, and if you have any questions, please tell me in the comments below, and I will see you guys later. Peace.